Now, if we've just got some probabilities, we're going to have a look at how to calculate just some conditional probabilities. So, if we've got probability of A equals 0.6, probability of B equals 0.5, and the probability of A union B equals 0.8, and we want to find out any of the given probabilities to do with A and B, so A given B, A given not B, or B given A, we've got to work out A intersecting with B first. And we do that using PRA plus PRB minus PR of A union B. So that's what we use. So from there, we can substitute 0.6 plus 0.5 minus 0.8, and we'll end up with 0.3. So they've got an overlap of 0.3. So now we're going to try and find A given B. So according to our formula, that is probability of A intersecting with B over the probability of B. So, in the last question, we found A intersecting with B, 0.3 over 0.5, which ends up being 3 over 5. Now, if you want to work out the probability of B given A, what we do, that is the probability still of probability of A intersecting with B, because we don't have to write it in this order that we've got here. All this order determines is the denominator, so I'll put that in as well, over the probability of A. Now, whether we've got it in this order, B intersecting with A or A intersecting with B, still the same thing, they're still both overlapping, so there's only going to be one answer. So then from here we'll have 0.3, which we found before, over 0.6, and we end up with 1 over 2. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is have a look at this. And the last thing actually is probability of A given not B. Now, to work this out, this ends up being the probability of A intersecting with not B over the probability of not B. So, if B equals 0.15, then the probability of not B equals 1 minus 0.5, so it ends up being 0.5. I'm running out of space here, so we'll see if we can fill it up. Now, this other part here, this probability of A intersecting with not B. Now, that's a little bit hard to imagine, so a Venn diagram really helps. We've got A, and we'll have B. Now, we're looking for where A intersects with everything apart from B. And that will only happen here. It's only going to happen for that section there. So, if the whole thing there, all of A is 0.6, and there's a 0.3 overlap, that means that this part here, just the point, A is A intersecting with not B is 0.3, so it's basically just A. So over here we'll end up with 0.3 over 0.5 to once again give us 3 over 5.